Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. You can see the website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, entirely beginner friendly, and it is a very professional website, portfolio website that you can use for your resume also. So now we are in the home section. You can see the typing effect, the front-end developer, and the words will disappear and it will come a new one, that is Canva designer. This typed JavaScript library that we have used for this effect. And you can see the hover effect on the social media icons. We have also integrated our icons here, and you can see the hover effect on the download view button, and you can see the box shadow effect around the button. And as we move from one section to another section, you can see the transition effect that is done by JavaScript library. And then we can go to the next section, our service section. You can see the hover effect, the box effect, 3D box effect to it, and we have integrated the icons also, and readme button. You can see the hover effect, very smooth transition, and you can see the hover effect on the projects with what project that is, and small information, and with an external link, demo link that we have added, and icon. You can see the transition, very smooth transition, and we can see the contact me form. Then we have used typed effects, and you can see the up arrow, that is to go back to the starting page. You can see the smooth and animation. This website is entirely responsive, that is, it is also available in mobile, desktop, tab versions. Let me show you. The source code is available in the description. You can get the source code from there and try to build this project. So now this is the same desktop version that we have seen. Now let's go to the mobile version. You can see this is the mobile version, very smooth mobile version. Just 1 second. Very smooth. The animation transition effect is there. You can see it. Just 1 second. And you can see how neatly everything is aligned here in the mobile version also. You can see the projects, then the smooth transition effect of the typing effect of the we can see here JavaScript by using done using JavaScript. Menu bar, have the menu bar. Website is entirely made using HTML using JavaScript, a beginner-friendly project. You can do it, and the source code is available in the description for any queries that whenever you are facing any trouble doing this project, you can go through that. And full tutorial is also available on the website, on the YouTube channel. There are a lot of amazing websites that I have built, and full tutorials are also added over there so that you can be able to learn front-end web development. And definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing content. Thank you.